Barrier reset routine for morning and night, no irritation version. When the barrier is compromised, aggressive routines delay recovery. Gentle consistency is what allows skin to rebuild strength. Simple, supportive care delivers better long-term comfort. Have you ever used a product labeled gentle and your skin still burned? Redness, tightness, stinging. That isn't weakness, it's your skin asking for support. Your skin barrier is your body's first line of defense. When healthy, it locks in hydration and protects against stress. When weakened, moisture escapes and irritants enter, triggering redness and discomfort. Most sensitive skin concerns start here. Many people try to fix irritation by doing more. More exfoliating, more treatments, more product switching. But stressed skin doesn't need intensity. It needs restoration. Overnight, your skin naturally loses moisture through evaporation. This dehydration weakens barrier function and increases sensitivity during the day. Multi-weight hyaluronic acid works at different skin depths, delivering hydration to the surface while supporting deeper layers. This improves skin suppleness, reduces tightness, and helps the barrier function more effectively. Hydrated skin is calmer, stronger skin. Once skin is hydrated, it needs protective support. Ceramides are natural components of healthy skin. They fill the gaps between cells, strengthening the barrier structure. Ectoin helps skin better tolerate daily stress such as pollution, sun exposure, and temperature changes. Shea butter softly nourishes and seals moisture without heaviness. Together, these help skin feel calmer, stronger, and more resilient throughout the day. A barrier routine should feel soothing. Never sticky, never heavy, never irritating. Comfort is the goal. It should, lightweight hydration. Comfort without heaviness. Designed for sensitive skin. During sleep, skin naturally focuses on repair. This is when barrier recovery processes are most active. Applying hydrating serum again replenishes moisture lost during the day. Following with barrier support cream helps protect and support overnight repair. Consistent night care strengthens skin over time, reducing flare-ups and improving comfort. Ceramides are essential lipids naturally found in healthy skin. They help hold skin cells together, preventing moisture loss and improving barrier strength. Hyaluronic acid acts as a powerful humectant, drawing and holding water within the skin for lasting hydration. Ectoin is a stress protection molecule that supports skin's ability to cope with environmental aggressors. Shea butter provides gentle nourishment, improving softness without clogging pores. Each ingredient is chosen to support skin, not stimulate it. When the skin barrier is supported, sensitivity settles. Redness becomes less frequent. Comfort returns. This is the philosophy behind REVEA, a barrier-first skincare system designed for sensitive skin. Launching soon in Australia. Follow for barrier science skincare tips. Follow REVEA for calm and simple science-led skincare guidance designed to support skin comfort. Our Calm Barrier system is launching soon in Australia.